So hello guys, welcome to another tutorial, and today I'm going to show you how, in case you deploy your application to Firebase and the application or website is deployed but the images are not showing up, meaning they were not deployed or they were not included during the deployment. So I'm going to guide you on step by step how to solve this error, and I really hope you are going to learn much more today guys. So by that being said, let's jump into our tutorial. Okay, so on your project, open your project, and first thing we are going to do, we are going to move all our assets to the public folder. So move your assets to public folder. So after moving your assets to public folder, then adjust your import paths. So in my case, I've adjusted the import paths to public, so the images are going to be imported from the public folder. So after doing so, the next thing we are going to do on your next.config.js, add this line of code: set your images unoptimized to true. So what this line of code means is that sometimes Next.js, when building an out folder for deployment, all the assets and other files are not included in the building process. So setting an optimized equal to true, we command Next.js or next.config to include all the assets in the building app. So after doing so, we are going to run the command npm run build to build our out folder for production. So enter, and it's going to take some few minutes. After it's done, I'm going to be back to you guys. We continue with the tutorial. So our optimized out folder for deployment is ready. Now next thing you have to do is deploy your application. But before we actually deploy our application to Firebase, we are going to test it using gserve, and going to run the command serve s out. So in case you haven't installed gserve, you can install it by running npm install -g then serve. Then after doing so, you can run this command serve space -s, then your production folder. If it's build, run build instead of out. So follow the link, and as you can see guys, the application is working now. The images are showing, all the assets are included. Now after confirming this, we can deploy our application to Firebase. So let me stop this terminal from running, then run Firebase deploy. So our deployment is complete. Now you can follow the hosting URL to check our application. So I'm going to open it, and guys, here's the application website. Now the images are showing up. As you can see guys, the images are now showing up, or they are included. So we have transformed this website from the initial appearance where the images were not showing up, fix the error, and now the images are showing up, guys. So, and this marks the end of our tutorial. And if you haven't subscribed onto this channel, please subscribe, like this video, share it so that we can reach more people like you. And we'll meet on the next tutorial.